Read the statement of the Pakistani Home Minister in totality. He has said Kasab should be hanged, and also those who are guilty of the Samjhauta blast should also be hanged. By saying this, he has demonstrated the mindset with which Pakistan talks to India. Every time there is parity with something or the other. If you talk Jammu and Kashmir, if you talk of cross-border terrorism, they'll talk of Balochistan and how we are trying to destabilize Balochistan. And we committed the great faux pas of agreeing to include Balochistan in the agenda of, and every time you talk to Pakistan, they talk of Balochistan. Similarly, by saying that Hindu terrorists, as if terrorists had religion, Hindu terrorists were responsible for the Samjhauta blast, given a lollipop in the hands of Pakistan, hang them. And then you can hang Kasab. They denied Kasab was not a Pakistani. Then all the evidence was put forth. Then reluctantly they accepted it. Now they are making it conditional. His hanging conditional on the hanging of the Samjhauta blast accused, as if there is no judicial process in India. Kasab is going through that judicial process. 3 years down the line, still in our jails, not hanged, because the judicial process is taking its own time. But if Pakistan its way, then they will hang the terrorists responsible for Samjhauta blast without completing the judicial process. And the Home Minister of Pakistan has gone one step further and has said that there is no evidence against Jamaat-ul-Dawa, headed by Hafiz Saeed. Hafiz Saeed is roaming the length and breadth of Pakistan, spreading nothing but hatred and venom against India. And our Home Ministry has submitted repeatedly evidence against JUD, and the Pakistani Home Minister is saying there is no evidence against JUD and Hafiz Saeed. And what is worse, our Prime Minister meets the Prime Minister of Pakistan and comes out and describes him as a man of peace. I mean, what can be more ridiculous than this? I think this summit has been a disaster, like the earlier summit in Sharm el-Sheikh.
Prime Minister also said, sir, that allegations and counter-allegations, that era has to end now, and it's time to book the perpetrators. So you don't think that the state...
No, what did he say? Go back 3 years. When Mumbai took place, what did the Prime Minister of India say? He said, we will not rest until we have brought the perpetrators to justice. 3 years down the line, Pakistan is saying, you have no evidence. The perpetrators of Mumbai attack are roaming freely in Pakistan. And Pakistan is doing nothing at all to control them. So where are we today? Where are we? Have we made an inch of progress? We have made no progress. We have made no progress in the 7.5 years that this government has been in office. They have not come out with one major statement telling Pakistan what Pakistan must do. So we appear to be helpless. And Pakistan, first there was parity. If India is a victim of cross-border terrorism, Pakistan is also guilty of a victim of terrorism. That was the first equation which was established. Now Samjhauta and Mumbai blast, same equation having been established. No evidence against their terrorist organizations. Nothing. So, Kabul attack. The whole world is saying the embassy of India in Kabul was attacked at the behest of the ISI. So Indian lives have no value. And our Prime Minister will go on talking to Pakistan, issuing certificates to Pakistan.